Hello there, this is Gurpreet Kaur from Top Class Real Estate, and today I am at Falcon City. I am going to show you a beautiful upgraded 3-bedroom villa for rent. Come, let's have a tour of the villa. Welcome to the stunning Andalusian style villa, offering a perfect blend of charm, space and thoughtful upgrade. It features 3 spacious bedrooms and 4 bathrooms with a built-up area of 4,680 square feet on a generous plot of over 5,800 square feet. The living and dining area is bright and airy, now expanded with a converted center yard, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor space. Throughout the villa, you'll find custom flooring upgrades that add warmth and character. You can enjoy quiet mornings or peaceful evenings on the balcony with a calming community view. Outdoors, a private garden walkway features upgraded tiles and elegant mosaic pillars, creating a serene space to relax or entertain. There are 2 covered parking spaces and families will love the nearby children's play area. This beautifully upgraded villa is available for 270,000 dirhams per year.